What's up, family? Back with a quick video. This is one of my office spaces, or one of my office space down in Raleigh. I figured I'd make a quick podcast room. I had the extra space down here, so I definitely have more videos coming on spiritual aspects, credit, business, everything that I'm kind of dealing with in my life where I feel like I can share some light or knowledge at. That's the type of videos we're gonna be making. But I just want to do a quick video, you guys. I still get a lot of questions on Instagram and Messenger about NEMT transportation. I've kind of shifted my focus from NEMT, but I'm still growing, and I kind of shifted the whole business in general. I'm not doing a lot of private pay. I'm not doing a lot of child transportation. I kind of shifting to the broker perspective. Reason B is because my mental health agency is growing. It's growing pretty fast. Also, I think we just opened about our third office. We're really not in yet, but in the process of getting in and starting substance abuse group. That's a whole nother video for a whole nother topic. So that's the reason why I'm kind of going with the brokers, because I don't really have time to deal with private pay, scaling it from a private pay perspective. So you got to know your business model. You got to stick to what works for you. Yes, it still would be profitable for me because I don't need to make $3 million from NEMT. It's still profitable for me because I'm already invested in it. I'm still gonna make money from it. Don't let nobody fool you. My goal is to gross over $1 million a year. Any business that Charles doing, any business that you see Charles doing and trying to tap into, I gotta hit over $1 million a year. That's my goal. If I'm not doing over $1 million a year, I'm not gonna fool with it. That's my goal, to get it there. But if it's not, that's the ideal goal for anything I start, that at least hit $1 million, to gross $1 million or over a year. But I know a buddy of mine right now, all he deal with is brokers, which I do think he should add a little private in. But I think he's right at $20,000 a week. I know somebody else doing brokers at about $7,000 a week. You make less money, you're gonna work a little harder. But the key is, when you're dealing with brokers, to get more wheelchair vans. That's the key. That's the advantage you have, or dealing with Stretcher, getting people certified for that. They don't have a lot of those type of vehicles on the road dealing with brokers. So let's get to this video. But that's the reason why I made the shift in the business. Right now we have 6 vans. I paid $65,000 for my vans, $25,000 for 2, $1,500 for one, $2,000 for one, $10,000 for another, and $3,000 for another van. All the vans that we started with, I did when I first started. They're not in the fleet anymore. We did have car notes on them, but I don't do the car notes no more. I'd rather pay cash, save up, and just pay cash, because it was just too much for me paying a car note and paying that high insurance. But to each his own. I'm not telling you not to do that, because I actually did it. Right now we pay $2,500 a month for our auto. We got the $1.5 million insurance. You required to have that in the state of North Carolina. For the vehicles is full coverage towards liability. Then our general liability policy has the molestation wrapped up in it. It also has the professionalism insurance in it. That's about $230 a month. Our workers' comp is $200 a month. And the building that I am right now with my vehicles are parked at this moment costs $1,500 a month. But I got my pressure washing truck in here, and then my kids can come in here and play basketball too. I made a whole basketball court. I'm gonna do a whole nother walkthrough video of this office. I showed y'all this office when I first got it. My kid, I made a little gym in the back for my children. I got my pressure washing truck back there. But I'm at about $4,500 a month. As far as the office and as far as the insurances and stuff like that. But my goal is to ship all these vehicles to Halifax County. We're probably 3 vans to Halifax, and keep 3 vans up on this and work these areas. Drivers, right now my goal is just 6 drivers, all part-time, running 5 to 6 days a week, but 3 part-time drivers running 3 days, 3 part-time drivers running 2 days. And that's just having those 3 vehicles on rotation. And I can step in if I need to step in. And then we're gradually continuing to keep scaling. I actually got to go to Charlotte this week to meet with one of the bigger brokers that they asked me to come up and sit down and talk to them. I'm going out there this upcoming Thursday. We're going to sit down and have a conversation, and we'll see how that go. But I plan to buy 2 more vans before the year is out. I know I'm gonna end up spending 30 grand because those red entries running about 15, 16,000 a piece. Just give y'all a quick synopsis, kind of help you out with your base to try to figure out your pricing. Me, I keep things simplicity. I try to do my rent, my insurances, what you paying your people, whatever you paying your staff. If you're running 6 days a week, and just divide, add all of it up, you know what I'm saying, and just and do the division. This is what I need to make every day, my bare minimum. Of course, you got to turn a profit, so that should give you a better idea of where you want to be at every single day, because you already know how much you're spending every day. If you add up everything and divide it by 22, you know what I'm saying, you know how much money you got to have just to cover your payroll, to cover all your expenses. You'll know that. And then how much money you want to make. If you want to triple that, then you know where to kind of set your prices at and things like that. But I just want to just give y'all a quick update of where I'm at and what I'm doing. And I'm dealing with the brokers happy right now. Are we going to tap back into the private pay side of things? Do I think we not? Yeah, I think we're going to probably run 1 van on the transportation side this year. We're getting a lot of calls. We'll probably run 1 van, maybe put 1 van out there just to get a little money from that. But I will keep y'all updated, and I will continue to grow the private pay, but I'm just doing it slow right now and just dealing with the brokers right now. Y'all be blessed. I catch y'all in the next video, and I do a breakdown on what the brokers paying, how much they got me running to make the money, and is it really worth it? But to me, as long as I'm turning a profit, my overhead pay, I put some money in my pocket, and that's why I do multiple things, because anything can shift in any industry. So that's why I'm on my toes doing 2-3 things at one time. Y'all be blessed. I catch y'all in the next video.